Hello, teachers, and welcome back. It's James. You're looking at my lesson plan for July 2020, Reiwa 2. Sorry to be late. Anyway, slide 1. I always ask my students, how are you? I want them to answer it like this. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Once your students are comfortable answering it like that, then they can use real answers like I'm tired, I'm sick, I'm hungry, I'm sleepy. As you may recall, I work at an Eikaiwa school, so that means my students see me once a week. There's a song that I sing to my students. It's called Hi, How Are You? From the Let's Go book series. It goes like this. Hi, how are you? I'm fine. Hi, how are you? I'm fine. Hi, how are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Pretty catchy, eh? Slide 2. Greetings. Questions to ask your students. 1. What is your name? They can answer it like this. I'm Hiroshi, or my name is Megumi. 2. How do you spell your name? They'll say Hiroshi for Hiroshi and Megumi for Megumi. What is your mother's or father's name? They can answer it simply like this. It's Akiko, or it's Masatoshi. 4. What is your family name? I like to get my students to answer it like this. My family name is their family name, for example, Sato. Or it's Sato. It's up to you. Number 5. How old are you? I like them to answer it like this. I'm 11 years old. It's up to you if you want to leave out years old. 6. What grade are you in? Ask this question if you know your students are in elementary school. They should answer it like this. I'm in the 5th grade. Use ordinal numbers. 7. What elementary school do you go to? Get them to answer it like this. I go to, for example, Sakura Elementary School. 8. What English school do you go to? They should answer it like this. I go to the name of your school. For this month, I've added this new question. What is your favorite English word? In the beginning, you're going to have to demonstrate it. For example, it's happy. It's baseball. It's dog. Don't allow them to say bad words like it's poop or it's poo-poo. That's not acceptable. Okay? And number 10, where are you from? Get them to answer it like this. I'm from, or I am from Japan. Don't let them just say Japan. Slide 3. True or false? To say true in Japanese is honto. False is uso. Number 1. Animals can fly. 2. Your English teacher is a woman. In my case, that's false. 3. You have a goat. To say goat in Japanese is yagi. 4. You treasure your family. So, to translate the word treasure in this case, that would be taisetsu rather than takara. Number 5. You want to go to America. 6. Japanese people speak Japanglish. 7. Japanese people are friendly. 8. Your mother can make pizza. Answers will vary. I recommend mixing up the statements every week. Slide 4. Ask, how many days are in a week? Slide 5. There are 7 days in a week. You may allow your students to just say 7 days. Slide 6. Go over the days of the week. I have a song called Sunday, Monday. It goes like this. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday comes again. Use your own if you want. Then ask, what day is it today? They can say today is, for example, Tuesday, or it's Tuesday. What day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Monday, or it was Monday. What day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Wednesday, or it will be Wednesday. Slide 7. Ask, how many months are in a year? Slide 8. Get them to answer it like this. There are 12 months in a year, or just 12 months. But I like, there are 12 months in a year. Slide 9. Go over the 12 months from January to December. Then ask, what month is it? They should answer it like this. It's July. It is July right now. Slide 10. For this month, go over ordinal numbers. Ordinal months. So the first month is January, the second month is February, the third month is March, the fourth month is April, the fifth month is May, the sixth month is June, the seventh month is July, the eighth month is August, the ninth month is September, the 10th month is October, the 11th month is November, the 12th month is December. Then ask them, what is the first month? And they should say, it's January. What is the 11th month? It is November. You can go back to slide 9. Slide 11. Ask, what's the date today? It's July 19th, 20th, 21st. When is your birthday? Get them to answer it like this. It's on April 23rd, or it's in April, or my birthday is on April 23rd. Slide 12. Ask, how many seasons are there? Slide 13. Get them to answer it like this. There are 4 seasons. Slide 14. Let's say the 4 seasons. Review the 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, fall, winter. I have a song that I made up. It's called There Are 4 Seasons. It goes like this. There are 4 seasons, there are 4 seasons, there are 4 seasons. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. 4 seasons, 4 seasons. Pretty catchy, eh? Slide 15. Go over different weather patterns. Ask, how is the weather today? Sunny, cloudy, stormy, snowy, rainy, windy. They should answer it like this. It's sunny, it's cloudy, it's windy. You can even ask, is it stormy? They can answer it like this. Yes, it is. Or no, it isn't. Or just yes or no, depending on your class. Slide 16. Aquatic Life. Suisei Dobutsu, or just say water life. Frog, goldfish, jellyfish, crab, shark, octopus, snail, squid, starfish, whale, snake, seal, lobster, dolphin, turtle, fish, crocodile. Get them to repeat after you, or just say, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Okay? And then you can ask, what do you like? And you want them to answer it like this. I like frogs. Not I like frog. Make sure there's an S. I like frogs. All right? Slide 17. Ask your students what is amusement park in Japanese. They should say yuenchi. Then tell them that rides means norimono. Okay? You want them to memorize that because at the very end of the month, you're going to test them by asking them, what is amusement park rides in Japanese? They'll say, or they should say, yuenchi no norimono. And then you can also ask them, what is yuenchi no norimono in English? They should say, amusement park rides. Then go over these 5 attractions. What's this? They'll most likely say the first one in katakana English. Get them to repeat after you. Merry-go-round. What's this? Just say, what's this? They'll say, kohi cup. Nope. Teacups. What's this? They won't know this one. Ferris wheel. Named after Mr. Ferris, the inventor. What's this? Haunted house. Obakeyashiki. What's this? They'll say jet coaster. Nope. In English, roller coaster. Okay? Go over these rides and then ask, do you like merry-go-rounds? Do you like teacups? Do you like Ferris wheels? Do you like haunted houses? Do you like roller coasters? They'll say, yes, I do, or no, I don't. Then get them to interview each other or to you. Hey, James, do you like merry-go-rounds? Don't let them say, do you like merry-go-round? Slide 18. What are they doing? Ask them, what are they doing? What does it mean? They should say, mina wa nani o shiteimasu ka? Or, karera wa nani o shiteru? Or, kanojo ra wa nani shiteru? That is the plural for they. And you want them to answer it like this. They are something ing. Look at the first picture. What are they doing? Get them to repeat. They are riding a roller coaster. What are they doing? They are barbecuing. What are they doing? They are playing beach volleyball. What are they doing? They are rollerblading. What are they doing? They are rafting. What are they doing? They are camping. What are they doing? They are watching fireworks. Then you can ask, are they, for example, the first picture, are they barbecuing? Yes, they are, or no, they aren't. So when you teach this question, are they, you would say in Japanese, この人たちはこれをやってますか? 本当か嘘か? So it's like a true or false type of question. And you want them to answer it like this. Yes, they are. はい、みんなやってるです。No, they are not. いいえ、みんなやってない。And lastly, action words. Go over these words. Bow, guard, hold, find, choose, meet, copy, move, squeeze, fold. You can use your own words, but these are my words. Make sure that they understand these words. You may need to know some Japanese. So, bow in Japanese is ojiki, suru. Guard is gado suru. Hold is motsu. Find is sagosu, mitsukeru. Choose is erabu. Meet is au. Copy is maneko. Move is ugokasu or dokeru. Squeeze is shiboru. Fold is oru or oritatami. So I get my students to pantomime these words. I demonstrate it and they try to follow it. I want them to memorize it. You can play Simon Says, sure, through Zoom. That's not a problem. That's possible. You can also mix up the words or just hide the words using PowerPoint. So this lesson plan should last about 20 minutes depending on your pace. I like to use the whiteboard function on Zoom. That way you can draw a picture of a fish, for example, a jellyfish or a seal, and get them to identify it. Or you can play hangman. And that's it for this lesson plan. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Bye.